Bondic is a liquid plastic welding tool that replaces your glue. For years, this technology is being used in dentists' offices to fill cavities. Now, using the same principles, you can make repairs that are impossible for traditional glues. We live in a plastic world and things break around you all the time. Instead of tossing them out or replacing them, you can use Bondic to make it stronger or better than new. Glue works under the assumption that have both parts of the broken object, nothing is missing as they fit perfectly. That hardly happens. Pieces are lost, broken, worn out, missing, or sometimes the original design is poor and it was bound to fail. When this happens, you need Bondic. Think of it as a mini liquid plastic welder with built-in UV light, and within 4 seconds you can create new plastic exactly where you need it. After that, you can also file it, shape or paint it without much effort at all. Plastic is basically something scientists call a cured polymer chain. Bondic is the liquid stage just before hard plastic. This is where the molecules, called monomers, are suspended in fluid just waiting to change into hard plastic. When the fluid separating them receives UV light, they are instantly allowed to form into a chain, and that's exactly what plastic is on a scientific level. Bondic is probably the best DIY tool ever in the last 100 years. Have you ever sat on your prescription glasses or sunglasses at the worst possible time? Well, if you apply Bondic on both ends of the plastic, hold them together, apply the built-in UV light, and in 4 seconds your glasses are now usable again. Ever had a smartphone charger cable at the end of its life with no spare around? Well, save it with Bondic and make it better than original. With Bondic, you can not only create things, but it increases the life of your products by many years to come and saves you time and money in the long run. We went as far as welding a piece of wire with Bondic and put it under test. We were surprised to see it had the ability to hold the weight of 2 humans suspended. Bondic won't dry out ever. It won't be long before you wish you had it around. Get yours today before you are stuck without it. Get yours here.